Good morning. We're joining in with our favorite prepping friends, Martin Midlife Misadventures. If you're not already following this channel, please go over and check them out. They're a great channel and I know you're going to love them. Just look at a few of their videos they've put up this week. Prepping the Pantry, $20 budget. So even if you don't have a lot of money, they're going to show you different things that will go a long ways in the prepping. Things you can still pick up, even with inflation taking off. They are such a great channel and they always give you great tips. They also give you tips on how to cook meals out of your pantry on a budget. Go check them out. You're going to love this channel. Now, let's go see what Grandma's done with her video this week. Now, I'm a little behind this shopping haul that I'm going to share today. I really did last Friday. Sorry, I'm late. We're going to be having another one going up just about the same time this one's going up. It's already Wednesday, and I'm ready to buy groceries in 2 more days again. Is that not funny? Grandma just can't seem to get herself caught up. Now, let's go see what Grandma did. Good morning. We went to a new store this week. It was called Grocery Outlet. It's the next town over from where I live, and it's been open a couple years, but I've never been in there. And I went over to give it a try and see what the cost of their food was, and was it really saving anything, and was it worth going over? Guess what? It was worth going over there to Grocery Outlet. If you have one in your area, do go try it out. You'll be amazed at the things they have and the sales they have. This week, the sales were on a couple of the cereals. They had more cereals than this on sale, but these I thought we would eat, so that's what I bought. And also, that fruit cocktail was a good price too, and I bought 3 cans of that. We were really lucky to get so many great things. The Count Cocos, or Dracula, was a really good deal on that, and so was the Frosted Flakes. We got some Nutri-Grain treats for my husband. He said he wanted, and it was a pretty good price also for that. But the best price of all was that toothpaste. That toothpaste was 99 cents. That was for 5.5 ounces. And there I bought 4 of them for $4. Oh my gosh, I was so impressed by getting that toothpaste. I should go and see what it cost at Stater Brothers, but I'm sure it's a lot more. Then we got some Jiffy Pop marshmallows, the small miniatures. They'll work great in the snacks. And so I was happy with that. That was $1. Our total for our grocery bill at Grocery Outlet was $20.40. I didn't buy a lot, but what I bought, everything was on sale or special. And we got some great, great prices. I was really amazed at what we got for our money. And it said, I don't know if it's true or not, that we saved over $27. That was more than I spent. So it's hard for me to believe that I saved that much. But that's what they said. But it was still worth going over there. Probably might go over once a month, because there was a lot of things I could have bought, but we were going out to eat, and I didn't want to buy anything that had to be refrigerated or in the freezer, because I didn't want to go bad, because we were going to go out and it was going to take a couple hours to have dinner. So I was really impressed. I think it's worth going over there. There was true savings at this particular store. And so if you haven't been to Grocery Outlet, if you have one in your area, go give it a try. It's worth it. And we did get a lot for our money. And I easily could have bought a lot more groceries if I wasn't going somewhere. So I feel like it was really, really worth the effort that it took me to go over there. It is the next town over, but that toothpaste was a good buy. I should have bought 8 instead of 4. But, I always am worrying about a budget, and I didn't know how much I was going to spend at Stater Brothers. I was really amazed. This week was really a great week. I didn't spend that much. And like it says here, $27 I saved Like I said, I don't know if that's true. I'm just repeating what the receipt said. But I did get some good savings, and I do think I did a good shopping haul there. And surprisingly, it wasn't too crowded either. I was also amazed about that. It was easy to get in and out. They checked us out quick. The staff was friendly. A nice place to go. We went over to Stater Brothers, and we spent $34.30. We didn't buy a lot either. My husband's been eating potato soup a lot, so I bought 4 cans of that. I love avocados, and they're going up in price, so I thought I'd better get some of those. We have 1 full container of the chocolate, but I want to always keep one ahead, so I bought 1. Twinkies, you can't really get those too far ahead, so I bought them, and he'll eat them probably in a week. My husband loves yogurt, and I bought 2 last week. He already ate a full one up, so I bought another one for him, and I slid it under the one that I bought last week. Of course, we need milk almost every week, so I bought some more milk. And I got some more potatoes, and that will probably last us a couple of weeks. So that isn't something I buy every week. So the total of this grocery bill was $34.30. Total for the week was $54.70. Not bad. And we already still have bread left from last time. So, hope you guys go over and check out Grocery Outlet. Great store, worth your effort and time to go over there. I thought I did pretty good on my grocery shopping this week. Of course, I forgot to mention we got bananas also. And we usually buy them every week also, because that's something that we eat all the time. I don't usually get the big ones. I try to get the medium or small because I don't want to have a huge amount of stuff going bad. So I hope you enjoyed what we picked up this week. Hugs and kisses to all my awesome friends and family. Thanks so much for stopping by. And remember, if you get your pantry a little bit stocked up ahead, you can just look for sale items or just replace what you've used. Your grocery bill, believe it or not, in the long run will go down. I don't try to have a massive amount of food on hand because I don't want stuff going bad. I clean out my pantry every 3 months to make sure I rotate my food. And I'm doing really well on my grocery bill. I'm really shocked how well it's been working out by shopping this way. And the best part of all, I don't have to worry if I can't go shopping for a week or two. I could actually, except for milk and bread, I could probably not buy anything for several months. I have that much food ahead. And that is the best part of all, is prepping the pantry and keeping emergency food up. We do not have bad storms out here, but I got sick with COVID last month and I didn't shop for 10 days and it didn't even matter except for milk and bread because we have plenty of food. And as you've noticed, my food bill has been under 100 the last few weeks. So anytime I'm buying, I'm not just buying like massive amounts of food. You don't need to buy massive amounts of food to stock up your pantry. A little here and a little there. Buy things that you really eat. Don't buy what I buy. And buy what you buy. But really look around. There's a lot of inexpensive things you can cook with more expensive things and make your grocery dollar go a lot further.